In this screencast, we will take a look at PlayPosit's Premade bulbs library. It is a great tool for instructors to view bulbs created by other instructors or even bring those bulbs into their classes. Please use the sidebar to navigate to the Premade bulbs library. There are two tabs on the top. The first tab is the instructor's institution. It will show bulbs created by other instructors in the same institution. The other tab is All PlayPosit, which will show bulbs created by all the PlayPosit users that decided to share their bulbs with public. To adjust whether the bulbs will be visible in the Premade bulb library, please click on the username on the top of the sidebar menu and select User Settings. Under Instructor Visibility, there are four options for privacy setting. Instructor can set it to be visible for all users, only visible for other instructors in the institution or school, or not visible in the Premade bulb library. Please note that the change in privacy settings will only affect the bulb created after the change. To update the setting for existing bulb, please go to My Bulb page, click on the thumbnail image, select Settings, and update the privacy settings. In the Premade bulbs library, there are bulbs names, tags, and creators of the bulb. Instructor can also use the search tool on the top to find the desired bulb. Instructor can filter the bulbs by keywords, creator's last name, tags, target audience, or subject. When instructors find the desired bulb, they can click on the triple dots icon behind it to preview it or export the worksheet from the bulb that has the information of all the interactions in it. If the instructors want to use the bulb in their classes, please click on Copy to copy the bulb into their My Bulbs library. Then they can edit the name of the copied bulb, decide whether to copy the bulb with interactions or just a video, and choose to edit it right now or copy it for now and edit it in the future. If the playlist feature is included in the license, instructor can also find playlists created by other instructors in the Premade bulb library. Please click on the search tool on the top and change the type from bulbs to playlist.